In Cunningham, looking at the mechanical schematic, we have the heat pump indoor unit feeding through the 3-port valve and into the hot water, and then it comes through the buffer tank here, and effectively that's what it does, is it heats the buffer tank around this circuit to the set point, which is there, the zone 1 set point, and then there's a separate set point for the hot water. And then the Grundfast underfloor pump pulls from there into the underfloor. That's that pump there. But the problem is that's wired into the heat pump, which is pushing water into the house. The heat pump decides when to push water into the house, whether the house wants it or not, when in actual fact it's the stat control and underfloor controls here that should be turning on this pump, and let the heat pump just keep that warm. So that's it in a nutshell. Also they had well, actually before I leave that, that's just a quick electrical schematic. It shows that everything is essentially connected into the heat pump. And then they had a problem with the solar. The solar sensor, which is now there, was way down at the very bottom here and was down below any of the heating points. The net result is the solar was running all the time and moving heat from this odd tank here, which is part of the solar system, out to the solar panels even when it was dark outside. So that was costing them a lot of money in hot water, so they'll see the bills reduced because of that as well. There's also another issue with this solar system. You'll see from the schematic in that there's no pump on the hot side here, and we don't know whether there's a coil in that or not. If I show you the schematic, yeah, there's the solar schematic. So we have the solar pumping through the pumping station down into this little green tank. So down to the pumping station into this green tank. But the problem is the other side of the green tank, there's actually no pump. So it's just a natural flow there into the main hot water cylinder there, that one. So that's that on the solar as well. So in conclusion, the quick fix is to put that on a timer, and then later on we connect that via the cables which are coming from inside directly to the underfloor logic strip, which means that when a stat comes on, it calls, and then they may need programmable sets also.